Come on, Light!
What? Do I drink it now?
Drink?
What?
Say thank you, Uncle Adam.
Thank you, Uncle Adam, for nominating me to do the 24-hour Canadian challenge.
Chug, 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 chug.
You had to chug through a straw.
All right.
My favorite nominations are going to be Aunt Kathy, Kathy Hammond, Cousin Alicia Hammond, and Zanera DeMorgan.
Who is?
Mandy, my
And-
mom.
There you go. Anything else you want to say?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm
Can we
sure.
keep you out here naked longer?
No.
All right, put your clothes back on.